Welcome back, pizza fanatics. Today, we're doing something we haven't done in a while, and that's fiddle with a pellet oven. I'm gonna show you all how to get it lit super quick, super fast with some fire starting gel. This was actually a suggestion from a viewer named Sam Clemens, so thanks a lot, dude. I ordered some, I tried it out, man, this stuff is definitely the best. If you haven't tried it, come check it out. The gel itself comes in two different sizes. Like this is the $16 bottle, they have a $32 bottle that's bigger. I wasn't sure how much I was gonna use or if I was gonna like it, so I just went low entry risk on the small bottle. You're gonna need some pellets. I love these Pit Boss pellets. They burn so well in these pizza ovens. They're a little bit shorter than the Traeger ones. I don't know if that makes them burn better, but they're great. They're $11.99 a bag right now, and you can get them 2-day delivery on Amazon, so you don't even have to like lug them to the register, lug them to the car, whatever. Homie brings them right to the front steps. Get you a little cup too for measuring. That way you're not doing it with your hands. This is a nice little amount. You can kind of keep it next to the oven. That way we can keep feeding it. We're not running around pouring pellets everywhere. This stuff gets super duper hot and the flame kind of burns like, I guess a light blue or purple or almost even clear. So during the daytime, it's very hard to see that it's even lit. That being said, I recommend using a grill lighter, or if not, you can use something like a receipt and light it up. And then we grab it with a little pair of tongs. And there's our little grill lighter. That's what we're gonna do today. If you found this channel for the first time, just searching how to light my pellet oven, what's up? My name's Jason, I'm your host, and this is the Big Horn Pizza Lab. We do everything from product reviews, little tutorials like this, and once a week I try to come out with a new pizza recipe or some sort of tip or tutorial to help you on your backyard pizza journey. This pellet oven I just got off a neighbor, so I do plan on making some more videos with it. I have never messed with the Ooni before. Made some pies in it the other night, and I'll say it's a pretty nice freaking oven. I also got some propane ovens too we're screwing with. Sounds like something you're into. Make sure you hit subscribe, ding that notification bell, that way you don't miss a single little tutorial here. Also, let me know down in the comments what you want to see, what you know. Like I said, I've found out about this stuff because of Sam. Down in the comments, guys, hit me up, all right? This is how we can kind of communicate these days. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do with any pellet oven is get that little chimney guard off there if you have one, and I'd even look down there just to make sure nothing got in there if you haven't used it in a while. The Ooni has a little baffle here too. I just make sure that it's open. Now go ahead and take the back lid off. The back of this one has some ashes. You know, I haven't quite figured out, oh, I guess it just comes out this way. Wow, this is kind of like live discovery here. I could not figure out how to get this out for the life of me the other day. This is bonus content, so you never know what you're gonna find here. I could not figure out for the life of me the other day how to get the Firebox out of here. Look, you slide it all the way out through the front, I guess. Wow, and then we can get it out. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Lord Jesus, let me see another crust. When you put this back in, put it with the top of the octagon to the back, and you gotta go in sideways to get it in. All right, now we got our little Firebox empty. I'm gonna go ahead and put about half of one of these big souvenir cups of pellets in, maybe a little bit more, about 2/3 of it. And then we're gonna go ahead and introduce it to our fire starter. This stuff is gel. It's pretty thick. And what I learned from it is you want to get the amount that you intend to use on it the first time. There ain't no adding to this stuff, because once it's lit, it's crystal clear and it's hot as you know what. I use this little tool to kind of like stir it in, so that way it's on some of the lower ones too. That way the ones on the top just aren't burning, not getting the lower ones. Now that I got that, now I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my cup of pellets on here. A little bit more of that drizz. Go ahead and activate our homemade grill lighter. And it doesn't even look like it, but that is lit. I don't want paper ashes flying everywhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this now that I know that our alcohol is lit. And I'm gonna go ahead and start a timer. All right, gang, we're about 6.5 minutes in. Let's go see what she look like. All right, you can see that the top little bit of pellets there are lit pretty well, and yeah, they're burning no problem all the way down from the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the lid on now, and we'll let it start preheating. All right, now use your tool to go ahead and spread out all the pellets. We're about 10 minutes in right now, and this is an important step to get the whole bottom bed of the Firebox going, and this is going to aid in igniting further additions of pellets. I'm going to go ahead and put a very aggressive 2/3 of one of these cups on top of the pellets. This Ooni does a really good job of taking on huge pellet additions and not going out or smoking out the backyard too much. Go ahead and put the lid back on the Firebox, and we got about another 5 minutes and we'll come check on it. All right, we got about 1-6 minutes on the clock here. Let's go ahead and check our temps. After only about 16 minutes, we've got the bottom pizza stone up to around 700 to 750 degrees. The walls and the roof are 930 plus. This oven is hot enough to make pizzas right now. I think 700 is actually a perfect temp for the crust. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Any higher, I think it kind of tends to burn before the top gets going. Any lower and it ain't gonna be crispy. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming by and checking out this new to me technique of using the gel fire starter. I'll have a link in the description below so you can find it. If you guys want to see anything else, let me know. I will be making some videos with this Ooni. I'm messing around with the new high moisture content dough, about 75–80%. So if you want to up your dough game, like I said, make sure you subscribe. Check out the description below for links of any kind of products that are inside the videos. And I will see you next time.
Peace.